Good morning, students. Welcome to Nivedita School online classes. Yes, in last video we have studied about plants around us. Yeah, we have completed the chapter. So, in this video, we are going to revise the topic once again. Okay, we will revise the topic one by one clearly. We will go deep into the chapter. So, Chapter 1, Plants Around Us. It's an revision part. Yes, children, in your test book, you can see, there is a warm up exercise, right? Yeah, have you completed that blanks? Yes, children, you have to complete it. I'll be checking that in online classes. Within that, you have to complete. The first one is a fruit, Fruit, fruit. And there is a flower, Flower, flower. Leaf, leaf. Roots, roots. Yes, you have to complete this. Yeah, Fruit, fruit. Flower, flower. Leaf, leaf. Roots, roots. Yeah. After that, we have saw the lesson, right? Yes. In this picture, what do you see, children? Yeah, there are different kinds of plants, right? Some are of big, some are very small, some are very short. Yeah, some of them are grass, right? These all are very short plants, and these are of medium plant, and these are big plants. Yes, yeah, children. So if you go out of, have you went out of the house, children? Some if the lockdown has opened, right? Have you gone anywhere? Yeah, if you go anywhere, just look out, look at your surrounding, how the plants have grown, what are the shapes of the plants, and what kind of shape does it have. Yeah, does it bear flowers or a fruit or nothing? Some plants gives us flower, yeah, some plants gives us fruit, and some gives us nothing, just it gives us air, clean air. Yeah, just look and observe which plant has which quality in it. Okay, children, this is your what activity. You have to see the trees around you. Okay, what type of tree or a plant it is. Yeah, yes. What do you see in this picture? Yeah, there is a tree, right? It is very beautiful to see. It is, look, it's like an umbrella, right, children? Like a mushroom or an umbrella. Yeah, look, such a nice tree. Yeah, the blue sky and the clouds in the sky. There is a green grass on the ground. Yeah, such a nice to look, right? Yeah, look here. There are so many branches of the tree. These all are branches of the tree, children. Remember, these all are the branches of the tree. And also the trunk. This is a trunk of a tree. And these all are the leaves. Okay, the leaves of the tree. Yeah. What are the parts, children? There will be a leaf, branches, stem, roots will be under the soil. Yeah, some plants gives us flower, some plants gives us fruit, and some just gives us air to breathe. Okay? Yes. Yes, children. In your textbook, if you see means in page number 58, there is a tree. Yeah? It's saying, save me, I am precious. Yeah, children? Can you see in your textbook? In page number 58, you can see there is a tree and it's saying, save me, I am precious. Yeah, we have to save the tree, children. Yeah, if you see anyone cutting the tree, you should say them not to cut the tree because it gives us air to breathe. It purifies the air. Yeah, it's our job to plant a tree. Yeah, everyone should plant a tree. Even I will plant a tree and you will plant a tree. Yeah, so everyone should plant a tree so that the environment will be clean. Okay, yeah. Look here. This is the trunk, children. This is a trunk of the tree, the down part of the tree. Look, these all are the branches. You can look here so clearly. These all are branches of the tree, and even you can see the leaves. Some branches are very hard and some branches are very thin. You can look here. Yeah. Yes, this is the stem and the trunk of the tree. Okay, look all the leaves. Yeah, you can see from the bottom itself. If you stand under the tree and look up, it looks like this, right, children? Yeah, look, such a nice tree. There is so much of shade. Yeah, it is protecting us from the sun. Yeah, it gives us shade. Yes. In this picture, you can see how hard the tree is. Look at the roots. Yeah, these all are the roots which is above the soil, and even the roots of the tree will be in the soil also, under the soil. Yeah, look, so many of them are upon the tree, upon the ground. Means imagine, children, how much roots will be under the soil. If there is no space under the soil only, the roots will come up. Yeah, look, there is no place under the soil, so only the roots all are out of the soil. Look, so much of roots. Look, imagine how old the tree may be. Yeah, if you see there, trees are very big, right? They are very big plants, and they are tall and strong. In this previous picture only you can see they are tall and strong, right? They don't need any support to stand. They will stand all alone. Yeah, without any support. And they have hard and brown stem. Yeah, they have very hard and brown stem, which is called trunk. This is called as a trunk, children. Okay, this one are called as a trunk. Yes, in this tree also you can see there is a trunk. This one is called as a trunk. In this tree also you can see there is a trunk. This is also a trunk. This is also a trunk. Each and every tree has a trunk, children, remember. Yeah, every tree has a trunk. Okay, now look here. Looks so much strong, right? Look how the tree is standing all alone. There is a branches. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Countless branches. Yeah, children. So only they are called trees. Understood? The trees are very big plant. As I said you, they are very big plant and they are tall and strong. They are very tall and strong. They can stand without any support. Look, does it has any support? No, right? It's standing without any support. That are called trees. Yes, Ine. Look, what these children are doing? They are planting a tree, right? Yes, children. Even we should also plant a tree. Yeah, so that it is good for the environment. Yeah, it gives us very good and nice air to breathe. Yeah, for that sake only we have to plant a tree. Look, for example, there is a banyan tree. Look how big the banyan tree is. It's like an umbrella, right? Look, it's like an umbrella, and this is a what it is called. You can answer me. What it is? It's a trunk. Very good, children. This is a trunk. What all are these? Yeah, can you answer me? What are these? Yeah, these all are branches. Branches of the tree. Look, there is a woman here, right? You can see a woman, a lady. Yeah, look, she's walking through that. Look how small she looks in front of the tree. Imagine, children, how big the tree might have been. Yeah, even see, there are some roots which has fallen from the tree, from the branch. It's going into the soil, right? Yes, look, so much big tree it is, and the roots are also falling from the branches. Yeah, yes, In next slide, here you can see clearly this is a banyan tree. Okay, here see the root, the stem, the branch. Okay, it's standing right. It has went till the ground. Yes, children. Even here also you can see. Yeah, look here. There is a girl. She's standing here. Yeah, she looks very small in front of the tree. Yeah, imagine how big the tree may be. Yeah. Yes, children. Now, what is your homework means? You should name some more three plants or five trees. Okay. Look, I have shown you a banyan tree, right? Now, even you have to collect some more different names of the trees. Okay. You should not say coconut and people tree. It's in textbook. Yeah. You should find out different. Yeah, you should say the different names. There are many types of trees. Yeah, so that you can also identify the trees with the name. For that sake only I am saying you collect the different names of the trees and answer me in the online question, children. Yeah, I will ask you the question, then you can answer me. Yes. Okay, now I hope you all understood about the trees, the branches of the trees, the stem or the trunk of the tree. Yeah, the different shape and size of the tree you have understood. So let's meet in the next video. Until then, bye. Happy learning, children.